In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a presentation from scratch. Just an idea that you had on a presentation that you wanted to create. First thing we're going to do is write the outline using AI. Then I'm going to show you how to use a master prompt to take that outline and create everything you need as far as the presentation is concerned. It's going to have an outline with your slide deck, and then we're going to then import that into 3 different options. So stay all the way to the end. All right, share screen. Here we go. All right. So here I'm going to show you first the master prompt. Okay. And I'm going to share this with you. Don't worry. But it's presentation architect prompt. You are my expert presentation architect. You follow the principles of Gar Reynolds, Nancy Duarte, TED Talk Design, cognitive load theory, and Apple style simplicity. All the best people at making presentations. Okay. Phase 1, produce a slide outline first, wait for approval. So the outline must include slide number, slide title, purpose of slide, 1 sentence describing the visual concept, okay? And then there's phase 2, after approval, build full slides. This is entirely optional. This is if you wanted to use GPT or Claude has a co-work, and I think Gemini has it as well, like an AI agent where you have it build your entire slide deck image by image, meaning slide by slide. We might skip phase 2 and then just bring it over to one of the other AI presentation generators. Okay, so let's go here and do this. Just do phase 1. Okay, like this, copy. And then I'm going to open up ChatGPT. Paste that in there. Okay, I'm ready to step into expert presentation architect mode and follow your process exactly. Send me the core idea. Okay, now I've already done this ahead of time just to save time. I'm working on a presentation for Residential Real Estate Council. It's called Show Up Without Showing Up, Building Influence Off Camera with AI. So I have the description, why should people sign up, and then 3 takeaways. It's kind of a format I usually do for every class that I teach. If I was doing like a CE class, then I would add, like it would be different. This is the marketing description. If it was CE, I would add course description. I would add learning objectives using Bloom's taxonomy. But marketing something and then CE, getting things approved for CE are 2 different outlines. All right, so we're going to copy this. Copy. Bring it back over here to our architect. Where are you? There you are. Building this for us. Now I'm going to paste this in. Boop. Okay, so it has everything. Now watch it work. Don't worry, the music is included for free. Okay, so here we go. Show up without showing up. Building influence off camera. Slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shamil, Shamazel, IFM Pfeiffer Corporated. All right, I'm going to pause for a second while this is getting done. Okay, our outline's complete. It took like another minute, but I didn't want to keep you waiting, okay? So 21 slides. I'm going to, would you like to approve this outline or make changes before I build the full deck? I'm just gonna, you could continue on with that and see where it takes you. Because it can, with image generation, create slide by slide, but and maybe I'll let it do that. Hold on. I'm gonna copy that. And then I'm gonna tell it, looks good. Continue on to building the entire, I cannot spell today, deck. Okay, while that's cooking, we're going to hop over to Beautiful.ai. That's Beautiful.ai. Okay, That was the presentation. So I'm going to come over here and see like I do a lot. I'm working here quite often. Okay. So you know that I'm not just one hit wonder when it comes to this stuff. Create presentation, generate with AI. Boop. Generate a presentation with AI. I'm going to add additional context, add text. Okay. Added all my slides here, and then I'm going to say like this, copy the title, done there. All right, so I have my additional context, auto language. You can choose a theme here. Let's choose a different theme, what I like. Bold, baby! Cheeky. Do I want to be cheeky? No. I don't like the colors, really. That's not good for cheeky. Let's do discovery. Luminary, discovery. I'm going to do discovery. Generate presentation. Now, we're going to let that cook. We're going to hop over to Gamma.app. Boom. Okay, Gamma.app. If I go create new with AI, and again, I like coming here to create things very quickly. I was asked to speak at a not-for-profit that helps. It's a parental leadership academy at this church. They wanted me to come in and speak. I created the presentation there in 30 minutes because I didn't want to invest that much time on something that's not generating revenue, really. Okay, like a volunteer effort. All right, so create with AI. How would you like to generate from a one-line prompt? No. Paste in text. Yes. Okay, presentation. And we're going to go to default. Let's do traditional 16:9. And then we're going to paste in the notes. Oh, no. I just have the title. 1 second. I'm going to come back over here. Is that it? Is that it? Okay, this is it. Again, copy. Copy. Come back into the Gamma. Gamma. Give it the whole thing. Gobble it up, baby. Okay. And say, what do you want to do with this content? Generate from notes or an outline? Yes. That's what I want to do. Yeah. Continue to prompt editor. And I have a paid plan. I don't know how much it is. It's not much, though, or I wouldn't have paid it. Text content. I want minimal. Minimal text, short sentences, communicating mainly with visuals, not words. Yes, baby. And I got pro. What are you talking about? All right. Anyways, maybe I'm not signed in, but I think I am. All right. We're going to generate that just for demonstration purposes only. And then the last one is going to be Canva. Now, Canva, you should know you can search up a presentation in there and then kind of edit it. But the other thing that you can do, I'm in Canva.ai, and I can say insert file for reference. So I would open up a doc like this. And then I'm going to paste my outline in there. Then I will download a doc. Okay, untitled document. Perfect. Come back over here to Canva. Give it that. And then again, I'm going to go back over to my title. Where is it? That's not what I did. Where are you at, man? Okay, there we go. My goodness, I'm losing it. Okay, here we go. Show up. Canva. Let's say like that. Okay, additional context, and then we're just gonna let that roll. Canva has AI built in now, and they're gonna actually code it and build it. That's gonna take a minute, so I'm gonna come back to my other ones. Let's start back with Beautiful.ai. Look at that, thing's working so beautifully. Now, the one thing I will say that I don't love the images that Beautiful.ai creates, so then like, I'm gonna go separately into ChatGPT, import the images into Beautiful.ai, but they're okay for demonstration purposes, right? You don't have to be on camera to build influence and authority. That's good. Today's promise, visibility, sustainability, authenticity, the visibility myth, different way to show up, influence without visibility burnout, what off-camera influence looks like. This is pretty good, folks. Why this works psychologically. Now, this slide I might build out into 4 separate slides, one on consistency, one on familiarity, one on authority, one on cognitive fluency. Enter AI. AI is your content partner. The off-camera content stack. Again, I might go idea, voice, script, publish. 4 different slides there that I would add to this. Voice without video. Record high-quality audio. Master vocal delivery. Leverage AI voicing. Optimize for audio first. Text that builds authority. And again, these could be intro slides, and then you do 4 additional slides. Captivating captions, storytelling strategies, thoughtful tone, consistent messaging. Repurposing without burnout, like that, from strategy to action. 3-step off-camera framework, real estate examples. And I would actually, for this specific session, because it's video-based, I'm going to find video examples to show them, and then each video would be like a separate slide. Authenticity is daily practice, letting go of what we think we're supposed to do and embracing who we are. Oh, I like that, Brené Brown. 30-day visibility plan, show up your way. Thank you, Q&A. So look, I did it. It's a 60-minute webinar slide deck. It took me, I don't know, a few minutes to make. And I'm going to do additional work. I might do another hour worth of work to make it the way I like it. Okay, next one. Here's Gamma. Yo, Gamma, Gamma. I don't know why I keep saying that, but it's a thing. All right, and so what I did notice here, they're making these more graphic type. And just like, I can go like this and say, enhance the prompt. I want it to be photo style. Okay, and I want it to use nano. Bro, I just upgraded. Okay, let's just do this for now. Let's see, you can see this. And it must be in my settings that I have illustrations as the default for my presentations, because I had to do this with the last presentation that I created. But we'll give that a second. That's going to bring me an image there. And then Canva's asking more questions. Great topic. Tailor your presentation. Could you tell me a bit more about your audience? For example, business professionals. Let's say real estate agents. And that's going to keep on going. But you get the idea. You can play with that. But 3 options: Beautiful.ai, Gamma.app, and Canva. Hope that helps. Jeremiah's JMan Monero. JMan Speaks. Make it a great day. Make it an AI day. How about that? Oh, it's starting to go. Okay. See ya.